Hello one and all. In this video, we get to know about the introduction of chitin. It is one of the polysaccharide consisting of units of amino sugar glucosamine that accounts for the second most abundant polysaccharide after cellulose. Chitin is found in the cell walls of fungi, the exoskeleton of arthropods, and certain structures of other invertebrates. Chitin, like cellulose, doesn't accumulate in the biosphere as a result of extensive hydrolytic activity of soil microorganisms. It is associated covalently or non-covalently with other structural molecules as well as the environment. Chitin is commonly found in two forms, that is alpha and beta conformation. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks a lot.